Well, this is new one on me. This is Remedy Labs, NABS, European approval for fibromyalgia wristband therapy. Okay, it's obviously a commercial enterprise. Anyway, while you're here, please boot the old like button. But you see, I'm always a bit dubious about these things. It's like you get these people who have these like electric straps all over their bodies to try and lose weight or muscle tone and stuff. But apparently this company is a start-up company in Paris, France, and it has received European approval for its device based approach to treating chronic fibromyalgia pain. The company's non-invasive millimeter wave wristband, which delivers low energy, high frequency electromagnetic pulses, aims to stimulate the release of endorphins through the nervous system to counteract and condition and provide relief. If this thing works, it could be a lifesaver for some people, because some people are literally in a wheelchair with fibromyalgia. If you could lessen the pain just a little bit, and make your lives a little bit easier, if it works. And also, it doesn't work for everybody. So this is actually quite interesting. So the company's non-invasive millimeter wave wristband, which delivers low energy, high frequency electromagnetic pulses, aims to stimulate the release of endorphins through the nervous system to counteract the condition and provide relief. That is interesting. I think it's interesting anyway. A previous clinical study, including 170 patients, 95% of them were women, because, women suffer with fibromyalgia more than men. Not 95% though, more than men, no. There's about 2 and 1. So, maybe there should be some men there as well. Showed that 3 30-minute sessions per day, alongside coaching and support, were able to decrease reported pain, as well as help address levels of fatigue, anxiety, and sleep quality. About 55% of participants reduced their fibromyalgia impact scores in questionnaires after 3 months, while about 53% dropped their ratings from severe pain down to moderate intensity. More than 75% of patients reported improvements in their perceptions of health and quality of life. This is actually pretty... They're big percentages. This is really interesting. The study's abstract was presented in late 2023 at an annual meeting of the American College of Rheumatology. Now, treatment isn't necessarily just going to be for fibromyalgia, is it? What about rheumatoid pain? Arthritis, I'm just putting it out there. Remedy bills its wristband as the first device-based treatment to specifically receive a CE mark for the treatment of fibromyalgia. Well, they obviously saw something in it then, didn't they? It's only health and safety. It's a wristband. Where's the danger? I suppose. Wearable developer Neurometrics previously received a green light on the continent in 2016 for its Quell device, but under the broader label of chronic pain. So it's the treatment of pain in general, isn't it? Obtaining European medical device status for indication fibromyalgia is a major milestone for Remedy Labs, but above all for people living with fibromyalgia who previously lacked access to any approved and dedicated treatments for their condition. And it'll be the sort of thing that won't be prescription, I imagine. It'll be the sort of thing anybody can buy. So if you suffer a little bit of pain, what happened, you haven't been diagnosed at this stage, it might be an answer for you. And if if it does work, wouldn't it be great to be able to reduce our medications just by wearing the wristband? It sounds like a brilliant idea if it works. Now, obviously, there will be some cases, there will be some people out there who have tried these things as it comes onto the market, and we'll get to learn firsthand what people think of it, or how they feel about it. I'm just got fingers crossed. I really have, because it, like I say, it could be an absolute life changer. It really could. If you're a fibromyalgia sufferer, people don't understand. I have the same problem. My wife is wonderful. And some of my kids are really good, But some people, they look at it as like, oh, crikey, oh, that's that old card again. Like, oh, yeah, that's when them invisible illnesses don't exist, that kind of thing, you know? And so, crikey, you don't know unless you live with it. You really do not know unless you live with fibromyalgia. It is debilitating, it really is. But not all the time, and that's the thing, you see. People consider disabilities as something that stops you being able to, you're in a wheelchair or something, 100% of the time. That kind of thing. Or it's something that's obvious. You haven't got a leg. You lost a leg. Or you ain't got a leg to stand on. Anyway, what say you? Does this interest you? Please, leave it in the comments down below. It interests me. I'd like to see if it works first, though, obviously, before you hand over your cash. Yeah. And beat the like button. It helps the channel, you know. And you want to support our rewilding project here in France. We've basically got rewilding where we're planting 1,000 trees on 2 hectares of land. It might be 1,500 trees time I finished, because we're doing loads of arbours as well. There's a link down below for which you can purchase a tree, make a donation for a tree, and we'll plant a tree on your behalf. Also, I make a sign of a tree which can have your name on, or memory of a loved one, what have you, whatever you like, really, you know. Or it's a present for a member of the family. Toodaloo. Don't forget, comment down below.